Welcome to our video, Creating and Monetizing a Blog, a step-by-step guide. Today, we will take you through the process of building a successful blog from scratch and show you how to monetize it effectively. If you've ever wanted to create a blog, improve your existing blog, or monetize your passion, this video is a perfect fit for you. We will cover everything, starting from finding your niche to implementing smart monetization strategies. Choosing the right niche. Before you start your blogging journey, it's essential to choose the right niche. This ensures that you are targeting a specific audience and can create high-quality content that resonates with them. Here are a few key steps to help you choose your blog niche. 1. Identify your interests. Make a list of topics you're passionate about or have expertise in. 2. Assess market demand. Research the popularity and demand for each niche to ensure you'll have an engaged audience. 3. Evaluate competition. Analyze the competition in each niche to understand if you can stand out and add value. 4. Finalize your niche. Based on your research, select the niche that aligns with your interests, market demand, and competition analysis. Setting up your blog. Now that you have chosen your niche, it's time to set up your blog. Follow these steps to get started. 1. Choose a platform. Decide whether you want to use a self-hosted platform like WordPress or opt for a hosted solution like Blogger. 2. Select a domain name. Pick a memorable domain name that reflects your blog's niche and brand. 3. Hosting and installation. Find a reliable web hosting provider and install your chosen blogging platform. 4. Design your blog. Customize your blog's theme, layout, and overall design to create a visually appealing website. Congratulations! You've now set up your blog. It's time to move on to the next step. Content creation and promotion. Content is king when it comes to blogging. Follow these tips for creating and promoting your blog content. 1. Understanding your audience. Research your target audience's preferences and pain points to create content that will resonate with them. 2. Develop a content strategy. Plan your blog posts and schedule them to maintain regularity and engage your audience. 3. Quality content creation. Create high-quality, well-researched, and engaging content that provides value to your readers. 4. SEO optimization. Optimize your content with relevant keywords, meta tags, and descriptions to improve its visibility in search engine results. Once you've created compelling content, it's time to promote it. 1. Utilize social media. Share your blog posts on popular social media platforms to reach a wider audience. 2. Networking and collaboration. Connect with influencers and fellow bloggers to collaborate, guest post, or participate in blogging communities. 3. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters to keep your subscribers informed about your latest blog posts. Monetization strategies. Now comes the exciting part, monetizing your blog. Here are some effective strategies to generate income. 1. Google AdSense. Implement Google AdSense to display relevant ads on your blog and earn money based on clicks or impressions. 2. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands for sponsored posts, reviews, or endorsements that align with your blog niche. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links and earn a commission for each sale or referral. 4. Digital products. Create and sell your own digital products such as e-books, courses, or templates to monetize your expertise. With these strategies, you can turn your passion into a sustainable income source. Experiment with different methods and find what works best for your blog. Engaging your audience. Building a loyal audience is crucial for your blog's success. Here are a few tips to engage your readers. 1. Reply to comments. Respond to comments and engage in discussions on your blog to foster a sense of community. 2. Encourage interaction. Include polls, surveys, or questionnaires in your blog posts to encourage reader participation. 3. Offer exclusive content. Provide additional value to your audience through exclusive content like bonus articles, videos, or resources. 4. Continuous improvement. Pay attention to your analytics, gather feedback, and constantly improve your content and user experience. Congratulations! You've completed the step-by-step guide to creating and monetizing a blog. Remember, building a successful blog takes time and effort. Stay consistent, produce valuable content, and implement smart monetization strategies. With dedication, you can transform your blog into a thriving online venture. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment below about your blogging experience. Until next time. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on blogging, entrepreneurship, and digital marketing. Follow us on social media for regular updates. Until next time, happy blogging.